Assalamu alaikum. Thank you all of you to watch this video. Welcome in this video. In this video you will learn about the Kirchhoff's laws. According to the definitions, Kirchhoff's laws is the two main laws: loop circle law and junctions law. In this definition, according in 1845, a German physicist Kirchhoff developed a pair of laws that deals with the conservation of current and energy within electric circuit. There are two laws commonly known as the Kirchhoff's voltage law and the Kirchhoff's current law. Two laws: Kirchhoff's voltage law and current law. These are help to calculate the electric resistance of a complex network or a impedance in case of AC and current flow in a different stream of the networks. Two laws is loop rule and junction rule. I will show you. Okay, this is the voltage rule and this is the loop junction current loop. And if the current flow from current, this is the current show direction here, and here is the voltage and the resistance are in a circuit in series, and the current flow through in sum like this. It divide into different branch which is equal to sum of the current. देखिए यहाँ पर जो हम देख रहे हैं कि करंट यहाँ से आ रही है एम्पियर, फॉर एग्जांपल 10 एम्पियर करंट आ रही है. इट डिवाइड इनटू डिफरेंट ब्रांच, 5 एम्पियर हियर एंड 5 एम्पियर हियर, फॉर एग्जांपल 8 एम्पियर हियर एंड 2 एम्पियर हियर. तो इट्स टोटल डिफरेंस इनकमिंग एंड आउटकमिंग, टोटल करंट मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 0 sum. Now again here, if we apply voltage from here, the current from here to A to C plus C to D and D to E and E to A, all voltage act on here must be equal to 0. This is the two laws we will use in loop circle law and junction law. Kirchhoff is a scientist. He developed two laws: circle loop junction rules and loop rule for voltage. This is the for a complex circuits. If we want to find the values of voltage and current difference. Okay, now we will start further Kirchhoff's two laws. First Kirchhoff law says, okay, this is the Kirchhoff first law. According to the Kirchhoff's current law definition, total current entering is equal to sum of current leaving different paths is no charge loss. The sum of all total equal to 0. For example, 12 ampere current from here input and the output current 6 ampere and 6 ampere. So difference of 2 ampere current sum is equal to 0. Property of Kirchhoff law is commonly called conservation of charge, where the input plus output is equal to 0. This is the easy method to find the value of current. Okay, for example, current enter and it divide into two branches. Okay, difference of 2 must be equal to 0. For example, when we calculate the 12 ampere input and 6 ampere this is and 6 ampere output, so the total ampere of current must be equal to 0, 12 ampere and 12 ampere. Now the summation of current from each and every loops of junctions must be equal to the input of that junction. Okay, total current must be equal to 0 according to the Kirchhoff's first law says to us, sum of all entering current and outgoing currents input equal to output must be equal to 0. This is the Kirchhoff's first law according to the Kirchhoff's current law. Now further we will study the Kirchhoff's second law. According to Kirchhoff's voltage law, loop rule. These are the two names you can call it voltage law and you can say it loop law as your choice. Now the sum of potential difference. According to the definition, sum of potential difference across all elements around any closed circle loop must be 0. This is the Kirchhoff's voltage law. According to the Kirchhoff's voltage law says that when a current in a circuit must be equal to 0, summation of all currents. For example, E voltage E1 and entering this R, V, according to the Ohm's law says V is equal to IR. The voltage here V is equal to IR, R1 resistance, and E2 2 and minus, and E3. Sum of all current must be equal to 0. This is the Kirchhoff's second law of when a current from this is current moving in a circle, and the total current must be equal to of this voltage is a 0. Okay, now this is the definition you should keep in mind. And current E voltage, and from higher potential to lower potential must be minus, and again here the voltage from higher potential to lower potential minus, and the lower potential to higher potential again is difference plus. So the total difference of voltage, if is the 5 ampere, and again is 5 ampere, and this is the total minus and equal to 0. So this is the Kirchhoff's law says that all current must, all voltage of the complete circle loop must be equal to 0. I hope you will understood. Thank you for watching this lecture. Now thank you for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.